Live from Alpine Falls. I wanted to take another video zoomed in a bit so you can really see the goodness of the PNW. Alpine Falls is pretty much off of Highway 2. You got a lot of waterfalls on this strip. You have Deception Falls, you got here Alpine Falls, you have Eagle Falls, you got Lake Shireen, you have Bridalfell Falls, Sunset Falls, but this is one of the most places that's probably people may not even know exists. I like it because you get everything. You get the river flow, you get nice decor with the rocks, the different flows of water. It's just so breathtaking being able to have this time with nature. Just admiring every aspect of it. The crystal clear water, the rock formations. It's just something that makes life worthwhile. So if you're someone who's into nature, or even if you're not into nature, hit a trail, find something that you like about nature and go with it. I'm someone who loves waterfalls, and I just love how the flows are, the different hues of color that the PNW has. It's just hard to describe what the feeling I have right now, but it's just amazingly beautiful. Being able to get a river that flows into a waterfall, it's just breathtaking. Just the flows that's going in so many directions, and this emerald green color also is breathtaking. Seeing that emerald green there, and then as the flow goes in different areas, it's clear. I hope this video gives you some kind of peace, some relaxation, just something that can possibly get you through a hard day or just things that may be going on in your life. Let all your pain and suffering flow away like this waterfall and the river flows. Peace and blessings. Subscribe to my channel, Soundscapes and Dreamscapes, on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Be safe. I hope everyone had a great, happy Thanksgiving. And stay blessed. Chase a waterfall. Enjoy nature. Get out there.